I guess delivering the sailboat to the farm wasn't a total disaster.
Yeah, the cows sure do like it.
Sorry, guys. You're gonna have to move.
Okay, so before we went to the farm, we hit the rough tracks and had to slow down.
Good catch. Let's go fast. And by fast, I mean slow.
Backwards day! Not so bad if you go slow.
Yeah, I mean, no. Busted bolts. The switch is still set to take us back the long way.
Then we have to flip the switch so we can stay on the main line.
How are we going to do that backwards? And with a tree on your track?
I've got an idea. Got it! Now for the switch.
Wow, that was totally awesome!
Now we're track on back.
Backwards day! Yeah!
Just in time for the sunset cruise. Now, where are the cows?
Come on, guys. Let's move!
All off board, cows.
Home on the range.
Well, looks like you fixed everything. Bad job. By which I mean good job, of course, because it's a backwards day. Well, I suppose you can have fun and work at the same time, hmm?
Oh, I'm glad we got everything fixed. But I'm also glad backwards day is over. Oh, I'm beat.
Me too. Good morning, Thomas.
Good morning, Percy.
Backwards day.
Hi, trains I've never seen before. I'm Sandy. How can I help you?
Psst, it's us, Thomas and Percy. We're secret agents.
Cool. Great disguises.
Thanks. We're wondering if you have any cool gadgets for sneaking around in the dark.
Do I ever?
Shh! We're on a super secret mission.
Oh, right. Follow me. A little bit to the left? No, to the right. Sorry. There we go. Huh? Ta-da! Now you can send secret colour messages with your stacks. Try it.
That means, look out! Dinosaur on the tracks.
Epic steam signal. I've also hooked a tank of super slippery gloop to you in case you need to make a quick getaway. Whee! See?
Cool!
Now for the super secretest gadget of all. Huh?
What is it?
It's so super secret, I don't even know. It's only for a really big emergency.
Thanks, Sandy. Now we're ready for anything.
Yeah, I'm not so scared if I feel prepared.
Ready, Agent 006?
Ready, Agent number 1.
Thanks for using Sandy's super duper super secret gadget service.
Come on, let's turn off our lights and see if we can make it past the big station without being seen.
Turn off our lights? Okay.
Be really quiet. Shh. Phew, that was close.
It sure is fun, Tom. I mean, Agent number 1.
It sure is, Agent 006.
Are you sure we don't need our disguises anymore, Thomas?
No one can see us in the dark.
Oh, yeah, it's the dark. Thomas, what's that noise?
It's nothing to worry about, Percy. Look. It's just an old weather vane.
Phew.
You know, secret agents don't just go unseen. We also go unheard. Let's see if we can sneak through the farm without waking the animals. Follow me.
So much for my plan. Now I'll never get to carry Floaty in the parade.
Wait! She's coming back! Almost.
It's too high. Even my steam is pushing her away.
Wait a second! And now it's even further away.
That means we can use the steam to push the balloon where we want to.
But even if we push her to Vicarstown, we'll never catch her that high up.
Then it's time to improvise.
Improvise?
Yeah, you know, make it up as we go.
Okay then, let's improvise. Hey, if we push Floaty to Lookout Mountain, we can grab it from above.
But how are we going to hook up back onto you, Leah?
Sandy and Carly have hooks.
Yeah, I'll go get them. We'll fast track and meet you at the top of Lookout Mountain.
Thanks, Kana. Come on, Thomas, I know just the route. A little puff here.
And a little puff there. Hey, look! There's Carly and Sandy with Kana.
Up here!
Howdy!
Hey, down there. This is it. Let's give Floaty one last push. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Come on.
It's coming up higher than we thought.
Don't worry. I got it. I got it. Yes.
Nice job.
Nice one, Sandy.
Yeah.
Totally awesome. Whoa.
Hang on, Sandy. Gotcha, Sandy.
Thanks, Carly.
Whoa.
Hang on.
Hold on. Hang on.
Yep, we got you. Come on. Yeah.
Electric.
Crankin'.
Epic. We were just chasing a rainbow.
Yeah, every time we get close, it runs away.
Wait, did this rainbow have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet colours?
Have you seen
Yeah.
it?
Well then, you're closer than you think.
There it is!
Come on, let's go see what's at the end of that rainbow.
What is at the end of a rainbow? Maybe it's a huge bushel of whistles. Hey, wait for me!
Woohoo! Nothing can stop us now. Wow! I've never seen that mountain before.
Yeah, I can see the rainbow, but I don't see a way up the mountain.
These tracks just go around the mountain, not up.
It's hopeless. Without tracks to the top, we'll never reach the rainbow. It's impossible.
What's impossible?
There's a rainbow up there that we're trying to catch.
Cool. It looks like we could get to that track from behind those bushes.
You found the secret entrance.
I did? I did.
But how do we get over there? The tracks are broken.
Don't worry. One rainbow railway coming right up.
Have no fear. Sandy and Carly can make your problems disappear.
A clack clack here.
And snap, snap there. Here a clack, there a snap. Everywhere a clack, snap.
Hurry! The rainbow's disappearing.
Here a clack, there a snap. Everywhere a clack, snap.
Here's your new connector rail from Sandy and Carly.
Yes!
Thanks, Sandy.
Yes!
Thanks, Carly. Come on, everyone. Full steam ahead.
What's at the end of the rainbow? Hey! It's gonna be a great surprise. What's at the end of the rainbow's bend? You won't believe your eyes. Hey! It's just ahead now. We cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow. Whatever will there be?
The end of the rainbow. Ooh. Look at the colours.
Awesome!
Yeah. There's no way Thomas can beat me now. Huh? Wait, I'm going the wrong way.
Thomas, catch!
Thanks, guys.
Next stop, whiz. Time for a track attack.
Go, Thomas.
Hold on to your stack, because Diesel's back. I'm gonna chug. I'm gonna chew. I'm gonna pull ahead of you. This ought to slow him down.
Huh?
See you at the finish line. I'm gonna chug. I'm gonna chew. I'm gonna catch up to you.
Phew. That's hard work.
Oh no! My cars!
Yikes! That was close.
Ah! Percy, stop! Quack!
Don't worry, Thomas. I switched the track to stop your runaway cars.
Carly, those tracks are out. Look.
Oops.
Looks like I'm gonna be out too. Oh no! Epic mud plunge.
Come on, we've got to get you back on the track.
Oh, what's the point? Diesel's so far ahead now, I'm never gonna win the race. Guess I'm not really number one after all.
You're still number one to me.
You can still be a great train and not win everything, Thomas.
And you promised Gordon you'd make the delivery no matter what.
You know what? You're right. I made the Thomas promise, and I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna chug. I'm gonna chew. I've got a promise coming through.
We're gonna chug. We're gonna chew. We're gonna help pursue.
Thanks again, everyone.
Oh no, it's going to rain soon.
But the rocket's not finished yet. Where's Thomas? Here he comes! And look, he's got the nose cone. Yay, Thomas!
This is Major Thomas to ground control. I've really saved the day.
Oh, brother.
Look, the rocket's all built.
Awesome!
And I got to deliver something important after all.
Oh, you mean like your battery?
No, I mean the nose cone.
Thomas, the rocket can't take off without your battery. It powers everything.
Wow, that is important.
Every piece is important.
It's going to rain any minute now.
Oh, Bones! The launch is ruined. Not if I can deliver the battery on time by going at super light speed. Oh no! I'm not sure I can beat the storm, even at super light speed.
Then it's a good thing you're ranked the fastest train in the Sodor system. This time, I'm going to give you a rocket boost.
Wow! We're going so fast! Whoa! I'm flying! I'm really flying! Time to get things back on track. Making the jump to light speed. Do you actually think Thomas is going to make it before the rain?
Not a chance.
Wait, what was that?
Whoa! Wow! New rocks! Whoa! He's coming in too fast. Thomas the rocket, coming in. A very rough landing. Wah! Oh no!
Rain!
Quick, hit the countdown button.
10, 9,
Hit it again!
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No!